So the one on the right, that's Nate. He runs the entire tint department here. And right beside him is Terrell. He's also on the tint team. He's from New Orleans, makes the best shrimp on this side of the Mississippi. You gotta try it sometime. Hey guys, this is the new prep guy. We just hired, his name is Butch Crawford.
Butch Crawford? What kind of name is that?
Yeah, sounds made up, I know.
He's gonna be doing the prep stuff for us. You know, we needed a guy for a while, so.
He's gonna fit in.
Oh, hey, I almost forgot. Before you start working on cars or anything, make sure you get your driver's license info over to Becca.
What's up with that whole license thing? Is that important?
No, not really. There's a guy here who's still learning how to drive. Dean will give you a few pointers, though.
I can't believe you own this.
Well, you're about to drive it, buddy. This right here.
A 1985 Porsche 944, 2.5 liter naturally aspirated inline V4 with just over 140 horsepower.
My man.
I'm a car guy.
Let's just make sure you're familiar with the car. So, obviously you got your hand on the steering wheel. Here's the shifter. And you have 3 pedals down at your feet. Cool, why don't we start it up? Oh, easy. I didn't tell you to press any of the pedals yet.
I was just a little excited. Yeah, finally doing it, baby. 944, driving behind the wheel. Woo-hoo!
Welcome to Blackout. How can I help you?
I'm Special Agent Hillary with the FBI. It's come to our attention that you have a potential extraterrestrial working here.
What makes you say that? Oh, you mean Butch?
I'm afraid so, ma'am.
I thought that was a mask.
We'd like to have a word with him.
Unfortunately, he's not going to be back until October 27th from 6 to 8 at our trunk or treat.
All right. Well, I guess we'll be seeing you then.